Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why are your Marshall Major 5 so quiet? And firstly, try to check it with another device, connect these headphones with your PC or another phone and check is you have the same volume level. Also, you can use multifunctional button on your right ear cup, just slide up and set your volume to maximum on your device, and if you try to use it with another device, also set it to maximum and check is you have the same volume. Now, also we maybe need to update software version for these headphones, and to do this, open Marshall Bluetooth application. You need to, of course, add your headphones to the application, and right here you just scroll down and go to About. And right here, if you see the same, that firmware version it's up to date, it means that you have the last software version, but if you have a newest version, you will see a button here and you just click Install Update. Now, if you use these headphones with mini jack cable, make sure that this cable is fully inserted and undamaged. Also, we can reset these headphones. So right here at the right ear cup, again we have this multifunctional button and you need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds to restart these headphones. And you just press and hold it and wait until 10 seconds. Here we go. You will hear a sound that it's turn off and then turn on. If it also didn't help you, we can change sound balance on your device. Firstly, I will show it for you on on iPhone, and then on Android device. But some Android devices have visual what's similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part, because you will have a different menu on your Android. So on your iPhone, open Settings, and then you need to find Accessibility. It's located under the General. Then you need to scroll down, and in the Hearing we have Audio and Visual. You need to click at this line and then scroll down again. Right here we have volume balance, and to increase it for the right earbud, you just move the slider to the right. But once you increase the volume on your right earbud, you will lower it for the left earbud. And it's the same with the left earbud. You just move the slider to the left, check what will be good for you. And once you increase it for the left ear cup, you will lower it for the right ear cup. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to Android device. And on your Android, open Settings, and we need to find Accessibility, but on my phone located at the bottom. Click on it and then scroll down again. You need to find Audio Adjustment. Click on it also, and right here we have Audio Balance. To increase volume for your right earbud, you need to move the slider to the right, but once you increase it for the right ear cup, you will lower it for the left ear cup. And to increase it for the left ear cup, it's the same, just move this dot to the left ear cup, but you will lower it for the right ear cup. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.